Welcome to BlinkExam, step-by-step guide. How to add subjects, topics, and edits in BlinkExam. Step 1. Log in to BlinkExam admin panel. Open BlinkExam in your browser. Log in using your admin credentials. Step 2. Go to the Question Bank subject section. From the left side menu, click on Question Bank, select Subjects. Step 3. Add a new subject. Click on the Add Subject button. Enter the subject name. Select or assign it to a course. If applicable, click Save, Submit. Step 4. View the subject list. The newly added subject appears in the list. You can see all existing subjects in one place. Step 5. Add topics under a subject. Click on the subject. Select Add Topic. Enter the topic name. Click Save. Step 6. Verify added topics. Topics are now visible under the selected subject. This helps in organizing questions properly. Step 7. Edit subject or topic. Click on the Edit pencil icon. Modify the subject name or topic name. Update details as required. Click Update. Save changes. Step 8. Manage subjects and topics easily. You can edit anytime, update names, organize content better for exams. Ensures a structured and error-free question bank.